Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe. And on today's recipe we're going to be making this very simple 3-ingredient vanilla ice cream without using an ice cream machine. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. So I'm going to be using some whipping cream, condensed milk, and my vanilla flavor for this ice cream recipe. Right now, I will get a clean bowl and I will pour in my whipping cream in the bowl. Right now, I'm going to whip this cream until it becomes very thick and creamy. If you don't have the electric mixer, you can definitely use your hand whisk to whisk it for about 10 minutes and you will notice it's going to be very creamy the way you're going to be kneading it. So at this point, my cream is well whipped. So I'm going to be adding in my condensed milk, which I'm using 1 can condensed milk. And I'm going to whisk it together to mix it up properly. So I'm going to be adding my vanilla extract to this mix and I'm going to whisk it up together to mix it properly to get that nice vanilla flavor, which is the vanilla ice cream. So guys, at this moment you can see how thick and creamy it looks like. So I'm good to go. I'm going to be putting it in my bowl. You can put it in any bowl you have in your kitchen. Flatten it up properly. Then I'm going to be using my cling film to use it to seal it up so there won't be any air in the bowl. So I'm just going to use my palm to seal it up properly. And I'm going to be doing the same thing to the remaining batch of the mix. So I'm going to transfer the ice cream into my freezer and allow it to freeze for about 8 hours or overnight. So guys, this is 8 hours later and you can see how nice and creamy this ice cream look like. So guys, let's scoop this ice cream to see the consistency. Wow, you can see how nice and creamy it came out. So guys, if you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell icon that goes with it so you will never miss any of my uploads. And also to help me to give this video a big thumbs up so it will help this recipe to go on, and also to drop me a comment letting me know if you love the recipe and if you find it helpful. Thank you very much. Bye.